Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yordanka. Tomorrow is Christmas Eve and I would like to do a makeup look inspired by Christmas Eve. So if you are interested, keep on watching. Now, when we think about Christmas Eve, I imagine, or I believe everyone, that's why I'm talking like we. So we imagine the Santa Claus coming into his magnificent carriage, flying in the sky with his deers like Rudolph. And I want to dedicate a look to this image. I want to do Rudolph. I want to do this night sky. That's why I'm going to use Jawbreaker eyeshadow palette. This is a very favorite of mine palette. It is a very fairy tale, like, look at this. It's very colorful, and in my opinion, I feel like each line has a fairy tale of its own, as if this is like the sunshine, this is the mermaid, this is the wood, and this is the princess. That's how I feel it, and I really want to do a makeup look with it. I'm really excited. So okay, I will start. On my face I have foundation. On my eyelids I also have foundation. I have bronzing powder, eyebrow powder, and concealer under my eyes. Of course, powder to fix everything. So I will start drawing Rudolph on my eye. I want it like a Disney image. Let's start with drawing a round face. Something like this. You don't have to do it precisely. We'll fill it with eyeshadow. So like the beginning, the end. So this is the face of Rudolph. And then let's write the horns. Something like this. Here we go, we have one horn here and one another. You know, they are not identical in nature, don't get worried. Now for drawings like this, I mean this kind of artistic makeup, you need the smaller brushes. I'm using GS13, a small brush with synthetic fibers. This is really good brush for details, and I'm dipping into Tasty. This is going to be the color of my Rudolph. So I'm filling in the circle. Then we're going to draw the eyes, the nose, and the mouth of. So I'm ready. Right now I take again the eyeliner and I'm drawing like a circle. This is going to be the nose. I want to draw the nose first because it's like in the middle of the face. So now for the nose I take a small brush, JS14. It's really good for details. And I take Velour liquid lipstick in this beautiful red. I take a little bit of it. Okay, I don't know. I take, because I'm doing a dot, I'm doing the nose. So I'm immediately stamping it. The applicator is going actually to work really nice. Yeah, you see. And now with the JS14 with this brush that is so good for details. I'm dipping into suck this bright positive orange color, and I'm applying it above or liquid lipstick, just to make the nose more like to add some details. Details always make everything look better. Okay, and now again with the eyeliner, I'm drawing two dots that are going to be my eyes, and then I'm drawing the smile of my deer, because this deer is going to be a smiling deer. And here we go. I'm taking again my Jazz 14 and I'm dipping into Delicious, and I'm filling in the eyes, just giving them the shape that I prefer. And with the same brush I'm dipping into Raspberry, and I will use it for the mouth, just to set the black of the eyeliner. Okay, and now it doesn't look really that good. So what I'm going to do is I'm taking this tool. It is usually for nails, but it is very useful when you're doing details in makeup. So this is a Velour liquid lipstick in Drug White Velour liquid lipstick. I'm dipping my point and I'm doing the dots of the eyes on the nose, and I think now our Rudolph looks way better. Now for the horns, I want to do them red and I want to do them shimmering, so I'm using this beautiful red shimmering shade. It works really nice with the small brush again, and I'm just filling in. This shade just gives this such a great Christmas feel because of the shimmer, because of the bright red. Now I'm taking Jazz 12 and I'm dipping into Gumdrop this, and I'm starting to draw the night sky around Rudolph, and I really like the contrast of purple and brown. Now I'm taking a tape. It is just easier with tape here, and I will do it on the other eye. And now with the same brush I'm dipping into Soaked. I am like going on with drawing the night sky. Guys, do you know that Santa Claus, he lives in Finland, and we're in the same time zone with Finland, so me and Santa Claus, we share the same time. Okay, I like it like this. So now I'm doing Brain Freeze. I'm applying it in my inner corner, and after Brain Freeze I'm again doing Gumdrop. I just want to be purple on the both sides of the Rudolph. And I'm taking a Sharpie and I'm doing my lower eyelid, and I'm using only Soaked. Such a pretty blue. Now the other eye is going just to be like the night sky. I will not do another Rudolph there. I'm taking again Jazz 12. I'm dipping into Soaked. I start applying it above the crease, and with the same brush I'm dipping into Brain Freeze, and I'm just blending it. Now I will cut the crease and I will apply a little bit of concealer. So now with a flat brush. Okay guys, my camera is running out of memory, so I finished my eye with the Jawbreaker palette. I applied a highlighter. This is Lavender Snow from Platinum Eyes, and I did Royal Armour Velour liquid lipstick, and this is my complete look. Thank you for being here with me. I really enjoyed it. Thank you. Bye bye.